On this video, we're looking at how to put someone into the recovery position.
The recovery position is a first aid technique used to help someone who is unconscious but breathing normally. Its main purposes are to keep the airway open, to prevent choking, or to stabilise the person.
Enjoy the video.
Let the arm fall naturally. Raise the leg. Use a hand to support the head. Use a leg as a lever and roll. Straighten the leg for support. Open airway. Monitor.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please do click on the link below because you'll be able to visit our website to see what complete training has to offer you. Thank you.